Hello traders, welcome to Forex Robo Trading. Today we are going to talk about profit reinvestment strategy and how to protect your base capital. Here we are going to explain you that with the 5% return on your base capital, you can reinvest your 50% return with your profit. So here we have started with the base capital of a $10,000 and we take a lot size 0.1. So these are the 24 months period of time, so 2 years, and the lot size we took only 0.1 and 5% return, as you can see, is equal to $500 profit. Here we have just diversify your base capital to the first MT4 account, and here we are going to trade $10,000 with 5% return ratio with the 0.1 lot size, and whatever the profit you are earning it for the first month from the 5%, second month onwards you will diversify or will transfer it to the second one. That profit we will transfer it to your second MT4, and keep it in clear in your mind that the profit reinvestment will be go to the second MT4 account, and you will trade with a 50% return ratio by trading $0.05 0.05 lot size. So you will get a $250 profit, as you can see, on the end of the second month. So this is what we are trying to explain, and the second ones you are trading with your $500 capital, and this is your total profit at the end of the second month, 250 and additional 500, so your profit is 250. What will happen third month, as you can see, 500 plus 250, it's 1250, 500 plus 500 plus 250. So as you can see, the third month already, like the first month you have the total profit $1,000. So again you find you will transfer it to $50, so it will be 1250, and the which you are seeing it, you will get $875 profit by trading with a 0.13 lot size on the base capital of $10,000, and you will reach on a break even point from your base capital. And what you are getting it from profit, as you have increased the lot size there, you are taking 10 times more lot size you used in your base capital. Suppose if we have used it 0.1, okay, now as you can see the lot size is compounding strategy we are using, and it's increasing the 10 times more lot size that we are using. So hope it's clear you the basic thing that what are the way we are going to diversify in first and second MT4 account. And second MT4 account, the same way we are increasing the lot size, as you can see, from the to increase your return 10 times higher. Now what will happen it in the scenario that around 6 months around, on the end of the 7th month, as you can see, your profit is already $10,000. So you can see at the 6 month you can remove your base capital whatever you invested, and you can remove the base capital. We have kept it keep it here from your profit. If you want to remove, you can do it. Now you enjoy trading from your profit. That's the break even point that you have to understand, that if you want to remove it or you want to keep it like that. Here we are keeping it, we are not removing, and now you can enjoy the trading, as we said, from the profit. Started with a 1.04 lot size and 50% you are getting it, so around 5,000 profit plus the previous month profit. So it adds around $12,000 profit at the end of the month. As you can see, the first month MT4 base capital is a 10,000, and the 5% that we are keeping up $500. And the second month MT4, that is the profit reinvestment account, we have kept it different, and that is 50%, the 10 times higher, whatever we are using for the main account, the initial capital account, that's the 10 times higher. And the return on capital also, it's 5% in initial account, but it is for a return reinvestment account, it is 50%, as we can take more risk from the profit. So here you can see, like, we are trading with a bigger lot size and the same capital. If whenever you achieve that much profit, okay, in this at the end of the 16th month, once you will get the 50 lot size, we will tell the client to open another account. As you can see, it's reaching 43.69 lots, as there are more slippages which we don't want the client to bear it, and as due to the slippage the profit percentage is reduced, as there are volatility, as there are the volumes, and due to that more lot size the price gets slipped during the buy and sell, and it reduces the profit. So we recommend to get the new MT4 account. So what happens here, your lot size is proportionally increasing as per your profit, and as per your profit at the end of the 24 months, you have to keep your lot size will be 1122 lot size. So we want that no any broker allow you to take that many lot size above 100, or like some of the brokers are providing 100 or 200 or maximum 500, but that's very crazy to trade, as it gives you the very high slippers, and it's always broker will be taking advantage. So it's better to go for different MT4 accounts. And as you can see, the 22 MT4, if it's needed, we'll show you the calculation that 22 MT4 account is needed at the end of the 24 months. Suppose if we are keeping a 50 lots highest on a 1 MT4, for trading a 1122 lots, at least we require 22 MT4 account at the end of the 24 months. You can see the completely the all this profit you are diversifying into 22 MT for different account, and increasing your profit also. That is practically you have to keep it diversifying that profit. And as you can see, it is here mentioned your daily earning would be $16,000, and approximately 500% would be your monthly earning after once it reached to the particular that level. And we are just showing that not it is possible that we are getting 100% profit only. Even if we are removing a 30%, still we are getting a 11 million profit, net profit, at the 70% of accuracy at the end of a 24 months this complete process. That's too, we have kept only 5% return on the initial amount. So suppose out of a 24 months there are 4 to 6 months no profit also, still you are getting that 11 million profit at the end of the 2 years. As you can see, 4 to 6 months, even if no profit, still, as it is unpredictable market, still if we are just taking a 70% accuracy, still with the 50% directly, suppose your best capital winner 50%, 10 months maybe not in your favor, it directly reduce your capital 50%. If you trade with directly with a one lot on your initial capital account, okay, it will directly like reduce your capital by 50% if the market is not in your favor. And many script, if you hit the SL stop loss and you wipe out your half of the account, your $5,000, what happen after that? Like, you will be go for a more trading again, you increase your lot size, too many lot size to recover the losses that you have done, because once the loss is there, it gets you depressed and it trains you to trade more. So you start with 2 or 3 lots and recover your $5,000, and at the end you will be losing the complete amount, because you are like trying to average your trade, and it will again wipe out the remaining amount as well, and these are the vicious cycles that's never ends. So don't ever trade more risk on your initial capital, you have to keep it safe. Like this, these are the very simple mathematical statics and calculation. You can see here we are trading 50 on the profit, and run the profit to make you a millionaire. We don't want you to give put your capital into the risk. The same thing we can also say that if you started with a $1,200 base capital that we have kept it here, and the fixed lot size would be 0.012. Still, as you can see, and at the end of the month you will be getting a profit daily around $2,000. For the first month, $60 only, or second one return will be for the reinvestment it will be $30. You put that profit into 50% return with the 0.01 lot size. Same way, $180, you started with $150, your profit will be $105, and gradually the break even comes around the 6 month, where the 0.12 lot size will be there, and you are already trading with 200. So you can remove your capital, you can keep on trading, yes, that doesn't matter afterwards, as 1440 profit, and see the difference between these two, from the initial capital and the total profit on reinvestment. So you have to keep it in mind, like a profit put in a risk, a high risk you can say, but a lot size will be higher. Save your capital. If you have capital, you can keep on trading, and you can keep on surviving into market. Protect the capital first, because that's very much needed. So save your capital and do the proper risk management, protect the capital, so you can take future trade as well, as you will be having a good margin. And put the profit into 50% return, so that you can take a good risk on your generated profit. Now we are changing the base capital. As you can see over here, again we are keeping a $100,000, and what will happen in that condition, that you can reduce this one into 2% only you are getting, and we are changing the return, it's 2% only we are keeping, and the return on profit monthly will keep it 35%. So the lot size will be adjusted accordingly. You can see that still you can get able to daily like $7,300 profit, and on the base capital of $100,000, still you will be making around monthly $223,000 profit. And net profit, as you can see, at the 70% accuracy, that's around 5 million profit. That's a huge amount, that you can be a millionaire only on a 2% return only monthly. As you can see, for the second month, the reinvestment profit on the second MT4, it would be the $700, and your lot size are increasing up to 993 lots. So you are diversifying your lot size from the 14 month, as the it reaches to 50 lots. So, and here you can trade with around 15 to 20 MT4 accounts, as the lot size is increasing, diversifying your profit into different MT4 accounts. Same way, if you suppose want to trade it 5 to 50, you can see your daily return will be approximately if we are keeping a 5%, suppose, and a return on profit monthly, if we are keeping a 50%, then your return will be increasing to the daily $161,000. And same way, as you can see here, it is a $161,000 at the end of the 24 months. And the daily profit, monthly profit on the initial capital would be $5,000, and 0.5 lot size will be used for a second month, and after then gradually it will be keep on increasing. From the third month, like you will reach at your break even point, $5,000. As you can see, the total profit is only $120,000. But if you see here on 50% profit reinvestment, that's the second MT4, your net profit would be something around 117 million. That's a huge amount. You just have to like change your returns monthly basis, and your reinvestment profit returns also you have to change it accordingly, and the same returns you can get it. There's a $117 million, as you can see here, by accuracy of 70%. By trading with the higher risk on your profit, return on your profit should be higher, but on your base capital you have to keep a very small risk. So they have to keep a 5% or less than 5%. If you want more returns to achieve the target in less than 24 months, you can increase to, as we have shown, 10 to 15%, but we don't recommend it to more than that, to 5 to 10%. If you have patience and you want to save your capital, base capital, your initial capital, which is your hard earned money, and if your profit, and if you want to put it the profit, you can keep it 50%. And here the lot size will be, as you can see, it's 11,221. So you will be require 220 MT4, and that would be approximately 10 brokers you will require, and 22 accounts you will be needed for 220 MT4, as the each broker will be providing you for each account 10 MT4 can be provided. So you will be needed 22 account to reach to the 24 months of level. As the lot sizes increases, the slippage also increases. So this is why we have to diversify the MT4s accordingly. And also the trade with a 20 MT4 with the same strategy with multiple lot size, and it's not easy task to do. You require a proper discipline, proper infrastructure to trade, and you should better to do it and give it to a professional trader for that, and let it maintain it and share the profit. Hope it clears all the things and how it works on your profit reinvestment strategy. If you have any doubt and query, you can definitely ask us, and to ask anytime, we are happy to help you. And we are changing here the base capital for $130. So the total numbers will be changed again, and we'll show you that how it's working. And you require a micro account to trade, because a 0.0013 lot size cannot be traded on a standard account. So micro account is very much needed, because 0.01 only the least can be traded on a standard account. So if you want to trade 0.0013 lot size, then the micro account is very important. So keep in clear, for that it is required. And as you can see, the profit on initial capital would be less for $130, but the same way on the profit reinvestment it would be higher. As you can see, at the end of the 24 months, by using a profit reinvestment strategy, your daily earning would be $210 and the monthly earning would be $6,382. That's a pretty good amount. Your initial capital return would be $156 only, but what will help you is the total profit, the 50%. You can see the 218k, that's 0.2 million, and even on a 70% accuracy, it's 0.15 million dollars. That's a big amount. As we are reducing, we are taking the factor. Someday maybe you cannot get the profit, someday you loss, or like it happens. This is the forex market, so you can make a decent profit and you can survive at the end of the after 2 years. Yes, you can survive with this money, and $6,000, it's very easy to do it. So it doesn't matter if you have a small capital, you can enter into the forex market with $130. With the risk and management, you can survive and you can get a good return, but you should have the patience of 2 years, 3 years, 4 years to run in your profit. And it's compounding and keep on compounding. You cannot even imagine the numbers after the 4 or 5 years, how much it would be. And it's definitely possible. As you can see, the trading lot size, how it is increasing from the reinvestment strategy, and it's definitely possible. Very proportionally we can increase it at the end of the 24 month. And as you can see, from the 5th month, it's reaching the particular level where the 0.01 lot size will be traded. Actually, the calculation over here, you see, there's the from 1st to 5 months it's not possible, but after that, from the 0.01 lot size, it will be started, and definitely it will give you a very good profit after that. So even on a $130 account, your profit will be very much huge, and you cannot even like imagine the profit. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt and query, you can ask us. Thank you so much.